Hi, my name is Kevin Keating and I currently work at the London Music School as head of guitar. I also teach at the Brit School. In this video I'm going to show you how to use and play guitar. Hello, in this video I'm here to show you how to play a Spanish guitar. This is a Spanish guitar. It has nylon strings, very different from electric or acoustic guitar which have steel strings. This has nylon strings. And you normally play this guitar, although you can play with a pick, you play with your fingers. And there's two main techniques that you use of the right hand. One is called a rest stroke, where your finger plucks a string and then rests onto the next string. And you can also, with the thumb, rest stroke. The other stroke is called a free stroke, where you pluck upwards away from the string. And you use that for what you call arpeggios. So, and you can also use the thumb for free stroke. Arpeggios, you can play a rhythm like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. The thumb plays the lower strings. The other fingers play the higher strings. Index, middle, and the ring finger in Spanish is called the annular finger. The rest stroke you'd normally use for scales or melodies. The free stroke you'd normally use for arpeggios. So they have a different job to do. Also with the thumb, you play rest stroke or free stroke, a much lighter stroke. With the left hand, it's the same as electric guitar or acoustic guitar. You play chords or scales with the rest stroke on the right hand. So really put it all together. Rest stroke. That's how to play a Spanish guitar.